Requisition. In Zimyo HRMS, you can create and manage new requisitions as per the needs of the organization. To access the requisitions section, log in to your Zimyo HRMS admin account. Click on HRMS. From the Others tab, choose Requisition module. Through the requisition page, you can view and create requirements for either new employees or replacement for existing ones. Under the My Requisition tab, you can view the requisitions created by you and also raise new ones by clicking on the Apply New button. A new page will appear where you can fill in the relevant details and submit the requisition. Under the Pending on Me tab, you can view the requisitions that need your approval. By clicking on the requisition, you can do so and approve the same. Thank you.